Can you solve all these functional groups questions? Non-polar functional groups. Right, Shah. Hydrophobic functional groups. Keep it up, Shah. Identify the functional group. That's it, Esther. What functional group is Cu? Strong answer, Carbox. What is this functional group? That's accurate, ketone. Which functional group is this? Solid response, phosphate group. Name the functional group shown. Well reasoned, hydroxyl. What functional group is shown? Carboxyl. Functional groups in molecule 15. Confident and correct, carboxyl. The functional group of stricho is? Perfect choice, aldehyde. What functional group is pictured? Valid point, sulfhydryl. What functional group is O exist in? Right choice, alcohols. What is the amino group structure? Outstanding effort in 2. Alcohols have this functional group. Nicely done, hydroxyl group. Functional group of Treach2 equal talk 2 is? You got it, alkene. What kind of functional group is this? Well expressed, esters. Proteins contain this functional group. Excellent work, amino group. Which is the functional group phosphate? Yes, phosphate. What is the functional group of alcohols? Logical choice. Oh, functional groups are used to classify dash. Very good, organic compounds. Name the functional group whose suffix is al. Aldehyde is correct. Which of these functional groups is an amino? Commendable response. And which functional group is present in alcohols? Correct response, hydroxyl group. Name the functional group present in Chi3-Co. Spot on. Which of these functional groups is a sulfhydryl? Thoughtful answer, shh. Which functional group is present in nucleic acids? Exactly, phosphate group. What is the name of the functional group shown here? Clear and correct, phosphate group. Identify the functional group present in the compound. Bravo, carboxylic acid! Name the organic functional group for this structure. Smart thinking, amides. Which functional group contains ketones and aldehydes? Excellent reasoning. Carbonyl group. Classify the functional group present in the molecule. On tridroxyl. Which functional group has the general formula of Raku? Precise answer, carboxylic acid. What is the functional group present in carboxylic acids? Nice work, carboxyl group. In carbohydrates, we can find lots of this functional group. Hydroxyl, well done. Classify the compound based on the functional group present. Well done, Esther. The name of a compound with the functional group O has the suffix. Accurate answer, all. Identify the functional group that is present in all 4 compounds. Great job, Ahide. Which functional group is responsible for the polarity of alcohols? Hydroxyl, great work. Which functional group is represented by the general formula RQ? Well supported, carboxylic acids. Which functional group is responsible for the energy storage in AP? Well articulated, phosphate group. Which of the following functional groups does not have double bonds? Exact ethers. Which functional group makes disulfide bridges in protein formation? Well expressed, sulfhydryl group. Which functional group is responsible for the acidity of carboxylic acids? Bravo, carboxyl group. Which functional group is responsible for the formation of ester bonds in lipids? Yes, carboxyl group is right. Which functional group is shown in red? Outstanding effort, hydroxyl group. Which group has the following functional group? Correct response, ether. The functional group of the compound in the figure is confident and correct, either. Name the organic functional group for this structure. Keep it up, amides. How many functional groups do you have in acetic acid? Logical choice. What is the functional group found on this molecule? Valid, hydroxyl. Classify the compound based on the functional group present. Right choice, ester. What functional group is on the right side of this amino acid? Nicely done, carboxyl group. Identify the functional group to the left of the hydroxyl group. Well supported, methyl. Which functional group is represented by the general formula shown? Well done, aldehydes. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Excellent work. Contact Narayan Changder.